Good morning everyone. Standard 7 Mathematics. Chapter number 13 Exponent and Powers. The first understand main point this chapter is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. How many time 2? 4 times. Is written as 2 4 is exponential form. And 5 into 5 into 5, that means 5 upper side 3. How time 1 2 3 to 3 into 4 is 2 is called base and 4 the exponent, and 2 4 is read as 2 raised to the power of 4 or fourth power of 2. These two type read as which time 2 raised to the power of 4 and the fourth power of 2. Exponent are used as they are easy to read and write and compare very large numbers. A negative number raised to even power is positive. Hereby minus 3 raised of the power of 4 is minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3. Here minus minus plus, minus minus plus. First these two, minus minus plus and minus minus plus and plus plus plus. That means answer positive card. Right one. A negative number raised to odd power is negative. Then minus 3 square, minus minus 7. So first here minus minus plus. And here minus plus minus minus, answer minus come. 27. Every number raised to power 0 is 1. Then next point is law of exponent. The law of multiplication of powers. The product of the powers with the same base is given by the power with the same base and power added. Here example see 2 4 into 2 3. So here remember multiplication, that means upper side 2 power plus doing 4 plus 3, that means 2 7. Example 2 minus 3 2 into minus 3 3. So multiplication middle, that means upper side this power plus doing. So minus 3 2 plus 3, that means 5. So that means formula AM into AN, that means AM plus N, where A is R and M this one. This one formula, remember. Multiplication, that means plus doing. Okay, see some simplify. Minus 3 square minus 3 cube minus 3 4. So here multiplication, that means 2 plus 3 plus 4, that means 7 plus 2 9. Same type x2 x5 x3. So that means x2 plus 5 plus 3. 5 plus 3 8 plus 2, that means x10. Then next law of division of power. Multiplication we see. Now the quotient of the power with the same base is given by the power with the same base and exponent are subtract. That means if m greater than n, that means here m by an. Here division, that means remember multiplication am minus n. Answer 3 8 by 3 6. So that means 8 minus 6, that means 3 2. 5 as 5 10 minus 5 7. So 10 minus 7. That means answer 3. And here if m here get less than n, that means here am and an, that means a1 an minus m. A, that means m upper side greatest number, then this formula use am minus n. But when n is greater than number, that means 1 by an minus m. Okay, so here some example, upper side 6 2 and say 6 4, that means each one n greater number, then 1 by 6 4 minus 2, that means answer 1 by 6 2. Same time minus 2 3 and minus 2 7. Here this one greatest number, that means 1 by 2 7 by 3. See when downside greatest number, that means upper side 1 come. That means 1 minus 2 by 7 minus 3 4. That means here formula if m. That means here formula if m is equal to n and a is equal to not 0, then amn, that means am minus n. This one formula. Then next point is law of power of a power. The power of a power is given by the power with the same base and exponents multiply. First one 3 2 by 4. So here multiplication. So 4 3 4 2 is 8. So 3 8. Same minus 2 5 and then 3. So 5 3 is 15. So here am and bracket n. Bracket means and we know multiplication. That is am n. So where a and this one n. Now see example. Now here example simplify. 2 2 into here 3 and 2 3 by 2. That means here 2 3 is 6, 2 into 3, and here 3 into 2. 2 3 is 6, and here 3 2 is 6. And we know here multiplication, that means what? Plus. So 6 plus 6, so 2, 12. Second one, here 5 2 whole bracket 2 and is x3 and then 2. So we are now 2 5 into 2 and 3 into 2. 5 2 is 10, 3 2 is 6. Now here division. Division, that means minus. 10 minus 6, that means answer 4. In multiplication, that means plus. Division, that means minus. Now number 4, law of the power of a product. The power of a product of two or more number is given by the product of the power of those number with the same exponent. Example 2 4 and 3 4. So here upper side power same. So here 2 into 3. So 2 into 3, this bracket. 2 into 3 common number. Both are equal. 4 upper side 4. 2 3 is 6. That means 6 4. So here formula this one. A n and b n. So that means a into b whole n. Okay. The same rule is followed if more than two numbers are multiplied. Now, next law. First here see example 3 and 2 3. So here 3 into 2. 3 2 is 6, both 3. 2x and 3 were opposite 2 2. So 2 into 3. 2 3 is 6 xy and whole 2. Now 5. Law of power of a quotient. The power of a quotient of two number is given by the quotient of the powers of those number with the same exponent. So here 2 5 3 5. So 2 2 time and 3 time. 2 3 2 3 2 3 5 time. That means 2 by 3 whole 5. Same which time multiplication whole, that means same type whole. So here formula this one. AM and BM by equal to AM and BM whole. Now here simplify C1. Here 8x3 is 27x3. So here 2 cube, that means 8, and 27, that means 3 cube. And here x and y. So here common 2x and 3y and whole cube because 3. Then next point is the large number can be continuous expressed using exponent. That means here 18 lakh, that means 8 into how many 0? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 10 into 6 power. 26, and then how many 0? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That means 10 and 7. 5 by, that means how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 10 minus 8 because downside that means minus 8 and only that means 7. So now standard form. Any number can be expressed as the decimal number between 1.0 and 10.0 including 1.0 multiplied by a power of 10. If 1.5 into 10. Then 1.5 and 1 0, so upper side 1. Here 150, so here 0.5 here middle come. And then how many number point then 1 and 2, so 2 0, so that means upper side 2. That means here point, the point then how many number come? 1 2 3, so 3 0, that means 10 by 3. That means 15,000. Here point come, that means how many number point? Then 1 2 3 4, that means 4 0, right? And here 10 by 4. So today we are doing only here. Next classes we start the workbook. Okay.